Hi Sanjana, how are you?
Hi sir, I'm good. What about you?
I'm good too. So, how many years of experience you have with respect to testing?
I am a fresher, sir.
Okay, fine. So, what do you know about Java? How much rating would you give to yourself with respect to Java? One being the lowest and 10 being the highest.
Six to seven.
Okay, 6 to 7. Okay, great. What do you know about strings in Java?
What's that?
Strings in Java?
Strings.
Yeah.
Strings are the immutable class in Java, object in Java. This is a set of characters surrounded by the double quotes.
Mm-hmm.
Strings are work as Java character array only, but these are immutable. Once we created a string, then we cannot modify it or cannot do changes in the strings.
Okay. What do you know about data types in Java?
There are two types of data types in Java. One is built-in data types, primitive data types, and another one is user-defined non-primitive data types.
Mm-hmm.
In primitive data types, we have integer, int, byte, float, double, and character data type, char, and boolean data type.
Okay. And in non-primitive type, which ones you have?
Non-primitive data type inbuilt, we have string as a non-primitive data type, and other are user defined, like all the classes are arrays.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. So, can you write a Java program on reversing a string? So let's say your string, the string is
Yes.
your name itself, Sanjana, and you have to write a Java program to reverse this particular string. Okay, so can you share your screen and write the program?
Yes. Yes. My screen is visible to you, sir?
Yeah, it's visible. Yeah, you have to write the program to reverse the string. You don't have to use the built-in functions.
String name, sir. Oh, string value.
Yeah, and your name you can take, Sanjana itself. You have written two for loops here.
Yes, sir.
You have written two for loops here.
I'm returning. Your voice is breaking.
Yeah, I'm saying you have written two for loops here,
Yes, sir. Yes.
but you don't need two for loops. Do you need two for loops for this program?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Can you run this program?
Yes. Okay.
Hmm. So you have to take out the print statement from that. So any specific reason why are you going for two for loops here?
Sir.
Any specific reason why are you going for two for loops here?
No, just I'm trying to print like original string and the reverse string. That's why I'm using two different for loops.
Okay, so you can keep the print statement out of the for loop, and original string you can print it without using the for loop as well, right? So just run this program.
Yes, yes. Just
Yeah. Yeah. Now it's correct. Now run this program. Right? See,
yes.
you are to the point. You solved the problem, I think, within 3 minutes itself. Okay, great. Now the same string you have to consider this Sanjana itself. And what I want you to do is to extract the repeated characters from this particular string. So you have A, which is getting repeated thrice, N is repeated twice. So you have to extract the repeated characters from this string. Are you getting the question?
Yes, sir. Yes.
And I can see you have all these programs written, Armstrong number, prime number, Fibonacci series. So you have been doing a lot of practice these days. Great. Good to see that. Okay, so let's solve this problem statement now.
Okay, what I have to do is just
It is very simple for you. Extract the repeated characters from the string. I guess it would be done in 1.5 minutes itself, right?
what's that?
It can be done in 1.5 minutes, right? So you have to extract the repeated characters. A, N, it is coming thrice. N is coming twice. So extract them. All the characters should be extracted once. That's it.
Okay. Can we solve this problem as we solve like arrays? We can use two for loops, I
Hmm.
and j. Is it a correct method?
Yeah, you can use INJ. You can use that as well. So no need to write the whole program. Just tell me the logic.
Uh, so we use one for loop like I. The in that for loop we'll use I int I equal to 0. I
Hold on.
is less
Hold
than.
on, hold on, hold on. I have sent you one string in the chat. Just copy that string. Okay. You have to find the duplicate words from this string.
थोड़े ना meeting चल रहा है. Just a minute, sir.
No
Just a minute.
worries, no worries. Take your time.
Yes,
Take
just a
no
minute.
worries.
Just a minute.
Mm. Chart.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry for that.
No worries, no worries. That's totally fine.
So I have to find the repeating words or repeating characters.
Correct. Let's focus on words first and then we'll go for the characters as well. So you can
We
see
can like
duplicate.
find the means I know the logic. Like we
Yeah.
first we will use two arrays.
Mm-hmm.
In one we'll initialize I and then second is j. Then I equal to 0. I is uh, less than the string length and I plus plus. Then we'll use j. J is equal to I and j is less than or less than array string length and j plus plus. If the character string I is equal to string j are equal, then we print that element like s out string j. Is it correct?
Yeah, it was partially correct. Let me show you the algorithm for this. So I'll show you the logic. See, this is the string. You'll define this string first. Okay. Now
Yes.
we have to count the string. And then what we'll do is we'll convert all these things into the lowercase. What is our outcome? What is our goal for this problem statement is we want the duplicate characters, like black is the duplicate thing, big is duplicate. But if you can see big here, B character of big, one is in uppercase, one is in lowercase, right? So you'll have to convert the string into the lowercase.
No.
Then initialize words to split the string. Okay. And then you have to print. Then what you have to do is for the loop that you are telling with respect to I and J. And if I words of I is equal to J, then count is equal to count plus one, right? So that's how you will be going for the logic of this particular program. So it is just these two things that you forgot, I think, initialize and converting string to the lowercase. And then you had an idea about I and J,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay, great, great. Fine. So now let's go with the next program. So can you share your screen? Instead of string, now let's take arrays. So you have to
Okay.
sort the arrays into the ascending order. Wait, let me see your practice programs also. You have done descending array. Yes, yes. Then you have to sort the array in the ascending order, right? Otherwise, you'll copy paste from there.
No, I'm screening my share now.
Okay. Just kidding. So write
No, no.
Java program for sorting the array in an ascending order.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir, done.
Yeah, sorry, I was on mute. Yeah, so what did you do? Sorting an array in an ascending order. Okay, so can you explain the flow of this program?
Yes, like we
What
took
did you
two
do earlier? Yeah, what was the logic? Mm-hmm.
for loops and one temp variable.
Mm-hmm.
Like first we'll initialize the one for loop and uh, with the variable I,
Okay.
uh, and the next is j.
Mm-hmm.
When the ith variable means I variable is greater than j,
Mm-hmm.
we are like pushing it it into the temp variable, and then from the temp we are putting it in a j variable. So we are printing the loop jth loop as bigger numbers are we are sorting in that J variable.
Sorting it in J variable. Okay, can you run this program once? Yeah, I think you'll have to remove the upper lines of the code in which the previous program was there. No, yeah. Just remove these lines. Okay, now can you run this program?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you run this program now?
Yes, sir. Just
Don't get nervous. Be confident, right? If you will get nervous, no, then automatically things will not happen correctly, right? In a real-time interview, you take your time, but be confident. Hmm. So what is the output you are getting? So many outputs you are getting.
yes.
Why are you getting so many outputs? Because you are writing system.out.print in the see in the
For loop.
previous program also. Same thing you did, right? So take care of these things. It's a very minor thing. The logic is correct. Now put it outside and let's run this program once.
Then it is not taking the K variable.
Hmm. Okay, now identify what problem you have done, what mistake you have done.
Have to initialize the K variable out of loop.
Yes.
Is it okay now?
So what output you are getting now? 333
Error.
exception, right? Index 5
Error
out of
index.
bounds for length
Yes.
5, right? Because you have declared it. See, wait, I'll show you the solution for this program. Okay. Is my screen visible now?
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes. Yes,
Now
sir.
is it visible?
Yes,
See,
sir.
whatever things that you have done, same thing only I've done. I've initialized array, took one more temp variable. Now to display the elements of original array, just keep system.out.println. See, don't keep it within for loop. Keep it within that particular print statement itself. Now you have to take a for loop. Okay. In this, you'll be printing the array, the original array for original array. Okay. Now you have to sort the array. There can be two sorting. One is in descending order, one can be in the ascending order. For descending order, what we are doing is we are taking two variables for integer I equal to 0, I is less than array dot length, I plus plus. For integer j equal to I plus 1, j is less than array dot length, j plus plus, right? What is the length of the array? Would be the number for which the for loop would be traversing. If array of I is greater than array of j, right? What is ascending order? You would be going from small number to the largest number. So if it is greater than, then you have to assign the value of array of I to temp, and array of j value would be assigned to array of I, right? And a temp value would be assigned to array of j. So you are actually swapping multiple numbers using three variables here. So I think you are aware about that program, swapping of two numbers, three numbers.
Yes.
Same logic is being used here. Okay, then display the elements of array after sorting. So after sorting, then again you'll go for a for loop and you will traverse through all the elements and you'll get the output. Right? Simple,
Yes.
easy. You are there. 80% you have already completed there, but it is just that you have to define the length of that array there. Okay. Okay, now tell me, what is super keyword?
Super keyword is a reference variable which is used to refer the parent class objects.
Parent class objects. Okay. What is the difference between protected access modifier and private access modifier?
Protected access modifier is we can access the protected access modifier within the same package, same class, same package, same subclass, and different package subclass.
Which one? For protected you are telling.
Protected and
Correct.
private we can access only within a same class.
Same class. Perfect answer. Okay. Now, what is this keyword in Java?
This keyword is a referential variable which
Mhm.
is used to refer the current class objects.
Okay. Can you write a program for method overriding? Any program you can write for
Method
method
over.
overriding. Overriding, huh? Hmm. You know overriding, right?
Yes.
Great, great. So your confidence is there. Hmm. Yeah, take a new class, no?
Is it correct, sir?
So what have you done here?
Just I created one method add two number
Mm-hmm.
and provide two numbers, and the third number is adding additional of two numbers.
Okay. So what is how is method overriding happening here?
No, for method overriding, we have to create another class and inherit this class first,
Yes, yes.
and then we have to we if we call this method in that class, then the method is overridden.
Correct, correct. So you have to do method overriding. So can you create one more class? Yeah, perfect. You have extended this class. Now what you will do?
Override the method.
Mm-hmm. You'll create an object, right?
Yes.
Mm. Spelling, madam, spelling. Create an object of overriding 2, not of overriding. Overriding 2.
Like we create an object with the reference of parent class variable, na?
Yeah. So you want to create an instance of the child class here.
Okay.
Hmm.
So
Overriding
we
2. Yeah. Now you write AB dot and you call that method there, which you have mentioned, no? Which was the method that you used there?
add add two numbers maybe.
Mm-hmm. It will come. You don't have to write it. It will come by itself. Go to that overriding. It's not coming. Go to that overriding. Go to that overriding class. Class overriding is there, no? The previous class that you have created. Yeah, yeah. Which is a method. So why there
Add
is
two
a red
numbers.
color here? What
Yeah,
error? We'll have to solve this error, no?
remove invalid modifiers.
Hmm. So what you are doing here is you have kept. So just make one simple method with system.out.println here. Don't keep this IAJ and all those. Yeah, just remove all these things and say public void add to number system.out.println. Hmm. Dot out dot println. Yeah,
Again, it's coming error.
right, right. What it is showing? Public void. So just keep void there.
Void is an invalid type for variable add to number.
Hmm. So just keep, yeah, remove this, remove public from here. And don't write public static void main. Here you just have to define the method. Don't write public static void main. Yeah, just define one method here. Yeah, remove this public static void main from here. Yeah, remove it. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
select, yeah, okay. And remove that curly braces from 14th line. Yeah, yeah, save this program. Save, save, Control S. Just save it. Yeah, yeah.
It's
Now go to
done.
overriding 2. Okay, now write AB dot. See,
Yes, it's coming.
yeah, very
Yes.
simple. Simple, simple. Okay, fine. So this
But
is
previously it's not coming. So because of that main method.
main method. Yeah, yeah, main method. Okay, okay. So method overriding is also done. Okay, Sanjana, I am done with the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
No, sir.
Wait.